Now I'm going to show you how to tune up your computer. It can make a fair bit of difference to an older computer with not much memory and make Windows boot faster. So first we're going to a web browser. In the address bar type in CCleaner.com, CCleaner.com, and enter. And that will redirect you to the home page of the company who makes CCleaner, a tune-up utility which is free to download and use. Click on the download link, scroll down to download from filehippo.com. Then you want to go across to download latest version, click on that. And when prompted, choose save and run. That way you've got a copy of it in your downloads folder if you need it again later. You should do that with all downloads. You should save and download. Click on yes, you want to allow the following program to make changes to your computer. Now when installing it, on the first screen you can click next to the license agreement. Click on install, these are all checked. On this one, you uncheck view release notes, you don't need to read them. Click on finish. Then down in the toolbar, click on CCleaner, and there we are. First task, click on Cleaner on the left, then click on Run Cleaner. Well, the first time you run it, you'll be presented with this box. Click on Do Not Show Me This Message again, and then OK. And that's cleaned up 134 megabytes of temporary files and other rubbish. Next, click on Registry on the left. Then down the bottom, in the middle, click on Scan for Issues. When that reaches 100%, across to the right, click on Fix Selected Issues. Click on No, you don't want to make backup changes to the registry. Then click on Fix All Selected Issues. That'll fix all the issues, and then you click on Close. Now we go to Tools on the left, and under, if you want to uninstall any programs, you can do it from here. Any annoying games or other pop-ups you don't like, you can scroll through here and delete them. You simply click on it and then click on Run Uninstaller on the right. Now we click on Startup. Now these are all the programs that start up with Windows. The more programs that start up with Windows, the slower your computer will start up Windows, and the slower it'll run because it'll use up all the memory. So in most cases, a lot of these programs don't need to be run. We don't need this one. We don't really need to check for updates to Adobe Reader every time we start Windows. AVG UI, that's for my antivirus, so I'll leave that on. I want to leave that activating when Windows starts. And Sun Java update schedule, it's very important to make sure that Java is always up to date to avoid Java exploits that can provide you with viruses and other malware. Next we click on the tab for Internet Explorer, and if there are other web browsers installed such as Firefox or Google Chrome, there'll be additional tabs. Go down here to turn on or off toolbars and other helpers within your browser. So if you've got half a dozen toolbars you want to get rid of, you double click to toggle it from yes to no or no to yes. In this case, I don't particularly need any of these extensions or helpers, so I'll turn them all off, which will make the browser run more quickly. Under Scheduled Tasks, you don't necessarily need all these to run on a schedule. If you don't know what it is, best to leave it alone. If it's updating a program you don't want to update or that you no longer want, definitely delete it, otherwise uninstalling the program won't help because it'll go and update itself and re-download itself automatically. And that's pretty much it. Close that, and when you restart Windows, you'll notice that there will be far fewer little icons loading down here, and it will start up a lot more quickly.